I am starting to question my decision. I am on my way to collect i-order zile for my business. It is currently 4 degrees, it's pouring, and I'm standing here waiting for a taxi. I'm questioning my decision right now. I'm judging myself. Samba, Jumistin.
Following criticism from UEFA, CONCACAF, as well as Asian Football Confederation, who accused Infantino of breaking trust over his now abandoned FIFA Forward enterprise.
Hi guys, let's do an unboxing. I ordered these things on Thursday. I forgot the long weekend, so many things will receive on Friday because I went ahead of myself and got posted teaser that we are launching package seasons. But yeah, all is well that ends well. So this is what I got. I'm a stop Kawama pocket. The diffuser bottles. I needed to just add a few because it's a pela and I'm tired of it. A so I ordered how many? I ordered 5 of these. This covers here. Ordered 3, 4, and 5. And then I also ordered. Oh no! Oh, I also ordered room sprays and egg and in my car just so I don't run out. They look so nice. I like these in the bottles. I'm enjoying them. And then what is this? Oh, these are the fragrance oils in my 80 and I will be that's 2 different ones, and then my Capsona room sprays. And then this is the diffuser base, and this is the base only UNCUT diffusers. what I've been waiting for. My candy pizza bottles. Yay! So I bought bataysa awo ahamba nga-5. So nge-ede ama-packs awu-3. So that means awu-15. So yeah, super excited. This is all I got. Morning vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. If you are new here, my name is Pamela. Welcome. Just don't mind the noise. I am boiling eggs. I'm gonna have boiled eggs before I go to the gym, and just wanna do quickly some work. I just finished shooting a video for TikTok. I have 2 more that I need to do. I can't even show you the behind the scenes because I am using my phone. I'm recording on my phone. But yeah, so today I will be shooting content. I have it's my shoot day for the Sacred Middle. We have a new scent that we have launched, and I have 2 videos that need to go up. One I've already shot, I must edit, and I'm gonna shoot another one at the gym. And then I also have to record one video for my personal pages for Instagram and TikTok. If you are not following me, please follow me there on the Sacred Middle page on Instagram and TikTok, and on my personal pages, also both on Instagram and TikTok. So yeah, today I am, like I said, I need to shoot content. I'm gonna go to the gym now. I'm just doing some admin and preparing for the shoots that I need to do and getting some inspo from Pinterest. And then I have to sort the wardrobes today as well. The laundry's been sitting outside for some time now, but just I don't have much planned, so you'll just be following me along. I thought I should pick up the camera. I know it's been so long, and honestly, I need to work on it. I need to work on being consistent on this page. Yeah, I need to put in more effort. But yeah, for now, I am back and I plan to be back. I don't have much planned, so we'll see as the day goes what happens. I will definitely take you along with me. And yeah. finally made it to the gym after all of that. I am glad that I started with my admin and did a little bit of my laundry. I will finish when I come back. But yeah, I am at the gym. I always start my workouts with a 10-minute incline walk. Today we are doing upper body. So yeah, let's go. Yeah. It's a couple of hours later since I came back from the gym. When I came back, I had lunch and then I took a bath. I'm currently working on the new blends for the spring collection. The plan is to launch 3 cents, but we'll see how that goes. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here since I'll be working throughout the day, and then when I'm done, I think I'm just gonna be horizontal and catch up on my YouTube vlogs. I saw Michael's, Lenswell, Temco, and KM's posted. Oh, and Eloise as well. So I think I'm just gonna catch up on those vlogs for the rest of the evening and call it a night. But I will definitely see you on the next vlog. I will start shooting it tomorrow to keep the momentum going, because I know once I rest or take a day off, it will be a mission to start recording again. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, you guys. I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and like and share the video. I appreciate you and thank you. See you next time. All right, bye.